Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, my name is Nelly. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color Mickey Mouse and his family step by step. We'll be drawing Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, Pluto, and Goofy. Let's get started. I'll start by drawing Mickey's nose and his two eyes. Next, I'll draw his cheerful, smiling mouth and the rest of his face. Finally, let's draw his two big, rounded ears to complete his head. Next to Mickey, I'll draw Minnie. Start with her nose, then her lovely eyes, and a bright smile. Draw her head with a cute bow at the top. Right between her two rounded ears, Minnie looks adorable. Now let's draw Donald Duck, Mickey's funny and cheerful friend. Start with his eyes and his cute beak. Let's add a happy, smiling expression to his face. Finally, draw Donald's familiar hat. It's such a classic look. Next, in the square below Donald, let's draw Daisy Duck, his beautiful girlfriend. Start with her lovely eyes and long eyelashes. Add a bright bow on top of her head to complete the look. Daisy looks fabulous. Time to draw Mickey's loyal and playful puppy, Pluto. Start with Pluto's eyes and nose, then draw his two floppy ears on each side of his head. Add a big, cheerful smile to complete Pluto's happy face. Now, let's draw Goofy. Start with his eyes, nose, and long ears. Draw his open mouth with two teeth. It's so funny. Finally, add Goofy's unique hat on top of his head. Great work. Now it's time to color. First, I'll color Mickey Mouse. Next, I'll show you how to draw and color Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse in a cute pose. Let's start. draw Mickey Mouse once more, but this time in a playful pose. Start with his eyes, then draw his nose and smiling mouth. Next, draw his two hands resting under his chin. Finally, draw his two big, circular ears to complete the drawing. Now, next to Mickey, let's draw Minnie Mouse. Start with her cute eyes, then her nose and sweet smile. Draw her hands resting just like Mickey's. On top of her head, draw a big bow and don't forget her rounded ears. Time to color. First, I'll use a black marker to color Mickey and Minnie's ears and bodies. Next, I'll color Minnie's bow pink. For this part, I'll use sky blue to make the drawing pop. Finally, for their skin, I'll use a cream color. Amazing work! Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel to support us. See you in the next video. Goodbye!